God, do I love New York City. And this place is even better than I thought. I love being up high. Let's look down real quick. Oh, you know what's right below there? I always call it the hive, but it was called the vessel. So yeah, this is the 44th floor of 55 Hudson Yards. This is such a futuristic type of area in the city, and all of this was just built within the last couple of years, which is just amazing to me every time.
Michael Bruckman of Spherio. Michael's joining us today for New York.
Hello, everyone. 90 seconds is hardly enough time to scratch the surface of technology like Spherio. But here's some notes I wrote on the subway ride over, which you prefer to do when you're living in Manhattan. Spherio is a live mobile application right now, and people are using it, and it's free. The number one thing I hear out of people's mouths every single day is, "That's cool." And I hear it so often that I trademarked the term for mobile applications. The goal is to empower younger generations to create content that has long-term value. And my goal is to build a global brand that is as synonymous as Instagram and TikTok is with media engagement today. This is how Spherio. Tag it.
Okay, great. Okay, I see it.
I'm from Lima, Peru. First Spherio.
My wife's artworks are displayed here. Yeah, that's really good.
Combining our virtual world. Hello from Finland, everyone. Let's check out the Sphereverse, which is pretty amazing.
And it's like we are in the Sphero. These are Spheros of other people.
I can feel that it's going to be a real hit among the users.
The difference being that Spherio isn't just social media, it's spatial social media. Ready and able to connect people in ways most of us in our generations have never even imagined. By connecting space and time through a variety of mixed reality scenarios, people can discover a new sense of purpose where they go, new reasons to go there, and an entirely new way to interact immersively.
Cool.
Every time you figure out some way of providing tools and services that empower other people to deploy their creativity, you're really onto something.
That voice was Jeff Bezos. My name is Mike Bruckman, and my company is Spherio.
Thank you, Michael.